Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I will show you how to create the trending camera tilt, or rotating effect. You may have seen editors using this effect, like this creator, and one of you sent me this video and asked how to recreate it. You can either create it while filming with your camera and a gimbal, or recreate it entirely in After Effects using simple keyframe animations. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. First of all, make sure your clips are already cut, stabilized, and locked on. If you are new to stabilization and locking footage, pause this video, check out my tutorial on the 3 lock-on stabilization methods in the description below, and then continue with this tutorial. Once the stabilization is complete, we can begin creating the camera rotating effect. Make sure you are at the beginning of the layer and press R on your keyboard to reveal the rotation property. Click the stopwatch icon next to it to add a keyframe at the start of the layer. Next, move to the middle of the layer and set the rotation to -5 degrees. If 5 is not enough, you can increase or decrease it depending on your preference. Now go to the end of the layer and set the rotation back to 0 degrees. If you now go back to the middle keyframe, you will notice black edges appearing. To fix this, press S on your keyboard and scale up the video until the edges are no longer visible. Now select your second clip and repeat the same process. This time, set the middle keyframe to a positive value. On the first layer, we used -5 rotation, and on this layer, I will use +5 rotation. Finally, go to the end and set the rotation back to 0. After that, adjust the scale again to remove any black edges on this layer as well. Let's now pre-compose the layers. Make sure Move All Attributes and Adjust Composition Duration are selected, then click OK. Now we are ready to speed ramp the clip. Right-click the layer and enable time remapping. If you are new to speed ramping, make sure to check out my full speed ramp tutorial in the description below. Drag the second keyframe to the left to speed up the video, and trim the end of the layer at that point. Then select both keyframes, press F9 to apply Easy Ease, open the graph editor, right-click, and choose Edit Value Graph. Create a smooth curve similar to mine, or adjust it based on your preference. Now let's jump to the second clip and repeat the same process. Once that's done, we can preview the result. The rotating camera effect is complete, but it looks a bit too linear and not as smooth as it should be. To fix this, open the pre-composed layer and press U to reveal the rotation keyframes. Select them and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Then go back to the main composition and do the same for the other layer. Once everything is done, preview the video again. Now it looks much smoother and better. For more smoothness, apply motion blur to your layers. If you have RSMB Pro, you can use it, or you can also use CC Force Motion Blur, which works even better than the paid RSMB plugin. Adjust the settings based on your preference, then preview the video again. It looks really smooth and good. For the final touch, I will add a shake effect from the AM Film Shakes pack. This shake adds more motion to the camera effect. You can get the AM Film Shakes pack from the link in the description below. Let's preview the result once more, and we are done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.